Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to see lesson 1 rational number solutions for exercise 1.2. The first question is represent these numbers on the number line, that is 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 as it is a improper fraction. So we are going to see it on the number line. So this is 0. Now denominator is 1 by 4, so go on writing as 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. See, it is 4 by 4 here. So on, if the numerator and denominator are same, then you have to write it as 1 here, as I have explained in my introduction lecture. So then continue by 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. So this is 7 by 4. You need to mark the circle here as 7 by 4. Then second one is minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6, since it is a negative number, so we will move on to the left hand side. So this is 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. This is the number we needed, so mark a circle here. And minus 6 by 6, see, numerator and denominator are same, so we have to represent it as minus 1 here. So this is minus 5 by 6 is the required number. Make it a circle. Question number 2 is representing minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on number line. So draw a number line here. All the numbers are negative, so we will just take the negative side. So if the denominator is here, the denominator is 11. So for every number, go on writing the 11 as the denominator. So keep going on writing minus 1, minus 2 by 11 and so on. See, and when it comes minus 11 upon 11, numerator and denominator are same. At that time you have to write as 1 here, since it is negative part, so it is minus 1 here, and still continuing. So we need the number as minus 2 by 11, mark a circle, minus 5 by 11, mark a circle, minus 9 by 11 and mark this circle. Okay. So question number 3 is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Smaller than 2, we can write any rational number from the number line which are smaller than 2. So that is 1 by 2, 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. Smaller than means we have to go to the left hand side. Those numbers are called as the smaller numbers. So from positive to negative, we have to write any rational numbers. Then question 4 is 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. We have to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So as I have shown you in my introduction lecture, in my introduction video, how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers, you can go and see in that video. So take the LCM of these two denominators. See, here you get minus 4 by 10 and here it is 5 by 10. So between minus 4 and minus 5 still, yet you cannot get 10 numbers. So increase the denominator. You can multiply it by any number, but the number should be same on both the side, that is left side and right side, and also to the numerator and the denominator on both sides. So here I have multiplied it by 2. You get 20 as a denominator on both the sides. Okay, so it is minus 8 on the numerator on left hand side and 10 on the numerator and the right hand side. So between minus 8 and 10 plus 10 you can get lot of numbers. So these are the numbers that comes between minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. Any number you can write by your choice. Okay, and at the last you have to write the question for minus 8 upon 20. The given question was minus 2 by 5, and for 10 upon 20 the given question was 1 upon 2, and rest all the numbers as it is in between them. Similarly, the same way you can do it for 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. See, first we have to make the take the LCM of the denominator and make them same, and then again change the number if you want, if you are not getting enough of numbers between the two numbers. So I have multiplied by 2 here again. So this is 40 by 60 and this becomes 48 by 60 on the right hand side, and between those numbers you have to write any 5 numbers of your choice. Question number 5th, second part, same thing again. Same way you can get these 5 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. This is the third question. you can get the solution for the third question. So this was 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Multiply, take the denominator as same, and then multiply by 10. You will get the enough of 5 numbers between them. Now question number 6 is 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Greater than -2 means you have to move on the right hand side of the number line. So greater than -2, so this is -2, move to the right hand side. So this is -1, -1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 and 1. These are the answers for this question. Question 7 is find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. The same thing as we did before, 5 and 4. Take the LCM and solve, and you get the denominator as 20, 20. And again for 12 and 15 there are not enough numbers between them. So again multiply with some number. I have multiplied here with 5 and here also with 5 to both the sides. So we get 100, 100 on the denominator and 60 and 75 on the left hand side and the right hand side as the numerator. Now you will get the enough of 10 numbers between these two numbers, between 60 upon 100 and 75 upon 100. Write any numbers of your choice, okay, and then substitute the 60 upon 100 as 3 by 5 question and 75 upon 100 as 3 by 4. This was your exercise 1.2, solutions for exercise 1.2. That's all for now. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.